Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to open Upwork agency. So first of all, just open your Upwork account, and then what you have to do is just have to tap on your profile icon in the upper right corner and then tap on this settings. Now in settings, you will see these options. You can see there are two options, client account and agency account. So if you want to open an agency account, just tap on this new agency account, and then you can see that agency name. So you have to give your agency name here, whatever you want. After this, just tap on continue. Now you will see again two options, basic and plus. Go with basic because it's free, so I'm going with basic. And then you can see that welcome to Upwork Video Test. Your agency is open now. You can read these instructions, and that's it for this video. That's how you can open Upwork agency. So don't forget to check our recommended resources links below in the description, and if you like the video, please smash the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.